This came a long way, attempting to get through the
Aboriginal
Ed
assistant.
Oh,
duplicating.
Alright, now I am going to try and get through this door. It's locked, as you can see. So I'm going to do it. Hang on. Try again. Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
No, one more. Okay, my turn. This is Sam. You shut the door first. He's not going to get himself out there. He's going for one more. Alright, time's over. Good filming. Sounds left to move, eh?
No.
This is the damage I done. Here's Johnny. Hey. I'm trying, man. They're a bit like this. Whoa. Nice. Bugging me. Piss it up on now. That's how you open the doors, ladies and gentlemen.
Look what we opened it for, I think.
So wash your hands in. This is the damage. Well, I think it's just out blood, as you can see. Oh, see, look, doors are locked now. So anyone can get in here. We sort of cracked the door when we're kicking it.
Holding us.
Yeah. See, all you need to kick it. Parking. See that?
Hang on.
Open the door.
The only thing you need to kick it with is a boot like that. With that hair on it.
Don't use
Don't
foot Adidas's.
use your hair, boys and girls. Don't remember.
Always helps. That's alright.
Oh, that was another. Very nice.
That was another production from One Way. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Stop it.